Yo, what's really good? This is June Jones, and I'm back with another video. So, you know what I'm saying? We out here at Manheim doing a walkthrough, seeing what they got this week. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of windy, so y'all gonna have to bear with us today. Let's see. So far, I see nothing. This is the budget. Manheim Tulsa don't really be, they don't be jugging like the Dallas and the Miamis and the, and all the other spots. Z66 in Oklahoma, well, yeah, we could call it, we could just say Oklahoma as a whole. It's probably one of the biggest. Manheim is huge too, but it's just the quality of what 2011, they probably still go high. Hit it run. You gonna start for us? Hear that tick? You hear that electric tap? That electric. Oh yeah. Yes sir. That it raining. They raining. We got some bikes. That's some. What kind of they selling? Is it for sale? They do be selling trailers and stuff, but that's typically the drive. That's the budget row right now. This whole row, basically they trade in. Let's go over here. Some in-ops. It's windy today, man. This weather been tripping down this way. It seemed like this Charger been here for a while. Here last time. $20. And clean. Lexo. 2006, 170. Woo, them boys riding around with the windows super jet. That's way more than a 15%. That gotta be like 20 or something. You can't see it on the camera, but dang. Yeah, this is, yeah, it's a no. It's a no for me. This Charger was here last time. Probably want too much for it. And it ain't got no brakes. They be bugging up here. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. They be bugging. Smashed in Audi. I think he was here last time. The selection be just like, couple of wreck. Hemi. Mellow yellow. Camaro. 13. 140 on the dash. Nice little kit. Still gonna go high though. Man, I thought I just seen you. Somebody drove the Lac Daddy. He's still gonna go high. One thing I noticed up, yeah, I did see him. He gonna go high too. 2014. Sitting on some deuces. Let's hear if he got that electric tap. Oh yeah, he smooth. See that Doty hole in his seat. Not too bad. It ain't trashed out or nothing. Like, motor all there. Check engine light ain't on. 100,000 miles. Yeah, this thing gonna go. They gonna put their luxury tax on this. You wanna know what? Yeah, somebody left their garage open. I know that sucks. Yeah, it's gonna suck by the time you realize you left it. Chick car. Must have had some type of lights or something. Kill switch. I don't know. It's all there though. He gonna go high. Curious of what he go for. He gonna go. Let's keep looking. Ew. Insurance must have brought this in. Somebody got bit. Riding a donut. Buck 87. He's still gonna go high. Replace the 2 windows. It's nothing. It's really nothing. A bunch of basic. It's a bunch of basic whips out today. 2013, 164. Wonder what he gonna go for. 3,700, 3,800. They be buckets and they still be going for high dollar at this dealer only Manheim. I don't know why, man. I think that thing had like a whole bunch of miles on it. Yeah. Oh, he only got a buck 33. 15. Yeah, you don't buy no Beamer. This Tacoma might go. Pretty nice truck. He gonna go. I don't know, man. I don't really be seeing nothing coming here. When I come here, man, it just be a bunch of junk. And then it be selling for high. It's probably the cleanest you gonna get this week. The paint kind of flipping now. They did the back like that, man. Dang, yo, this must was death. I wonder what this gonna go for. Gateway Financial Services, yeah. Somebody must have got repoed or something and they didn't care. I want to do a start. He might go for cheap. The leather ain't all ripped up. Oh yeah, he all wet. I bet he'd get jumped. Leather all there though. Yep. I don't want no parts. Dang, I think that's the same Escalade. He's still over there. The SRT though. Kind of ran through. He been here for a while. 2009. Petro's credit. They probably want way too much. Completely dead. Trash too. Y'all rigged. They want this shit. That's what I'm saying. It'd be a bunch of Manheim tossing need to step it up. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all to the other auctions, man. The 400. They ain't really got nothing this week, guys. Normally they got a couple. That thing been there for a while too. Pathfinder. Yeah, auction tomorrow. I'ma come see what some of this stuff going for so I can gauge it. 2015. Probably gonna want too much. Cleanest charger though. 2020 can't be mad. Yeah, auction tomorrow. I'm gonna come tomorrow and see what some of these prices go for. If it's something crazy, I'll let y'all know. But straight like that. It's the Manheim Wednesday walkthrough. Straight like that.